Welcome to the Barcelona bar frame assembly instructions. When you open the cartons, you will find the frame ends, the braces and the footrail. You will need 20 5mm hex head screws, an impact drill and thread lock. Firstly, lay the frame end on the ground. Grab the braces and identify the holes. Make sure the two holes line up with the tabs and that the smaller hole is facing outwards. Apply thread lock to the screws and use your hands to lightly tighten them into the tab and brace holes. Grab the foot rail and place it over the bottom tabs, lining up the holes. Apply thread lock and tighten the screws into the holes with your hands on both sides. Position the second frame end on top of the half-assembled frame, inserting the tabs. Again, apply thread lock to all screws, placing them through the holes and tighten with your hands. Once all screws are used and placed correctly, use the drill to tighten them in place. The Barcelona dry bar frame is available in a 1200 or 1800 size, powder coated in a matte black finish. The geometric design is simple yet effective and can be used in both hospitality and office spaces.